Moses yake kila sana kaa gopa kamera. Dong bet.
Islam đủ cha một phía là này rồi.
Nó có Islam petit rồi. Islam gitu mana gitu campur rima gitu ngol. Baik ya kum.
Đi đâu cái rồi ngài coi như vậy rồi hao đuổi.
Ini boleh marah.
Ini kue cuci pun.
Để tôi nói là.
Ini boleh.
Kami kita mau pergi ke itu.
Ini apa wajar? Dia punya.
Dia mana nak?
Dia pergi.
Motor. Jangan itu tetap baru.
Time again, so the only thing she needs just to be open to it, that my man, this is what is happening in my life, so maybe let's sit together and see how best we can solve this, because by giving you another attitude, it won't, it's not the solution. The solution is being open to each other, and you get to know what is pressing, then you can handle it together.
No, the biggest problem with that, she has this attitude of I can handle my situation alone. Again. So when you question her now, how do you handle your situation alone? She'll be like, I know how I get my things. Now, as you're getting your things from outside, maybe borrow money from men, getting money from other people around here and there, again, at the expense of disrespecting someone at home, again, it doesn't work.
It doesn't really work.
Actually, it doesn't even bring progress or change in your life, because every time you've been running in deficit or negative. Because now if you borrow money from me, you borrow money from someone, you go and solve money from someone. Solve someone who is putting you on pressure. It doesn't work. Maybe if you figure out, maybe you're getting a man who is trying to take you, you find ways of having access to someone gives you money and then you get.
Yes, because now if you start running in that kind of pressure, what next? Failed become very vulnerable, because at one time she'll be tempted, because maybe that's what she can get the money and pay it back.